Well, here we are, Waterloo Classic Car Meet. We're in Lower Marsh here. The top of Lower Marsh goes down towards Waterloo. Now, I'm a bit late here today, but certainly there's a few classic cars still here. The old Mercedes here. Now, I'm going to do a walk down through. Sadly, somewhere have gone. It's on normally about third Saturday in the month, around about 11 till 2. Quite early finishing. Certainly there's a bit of colour here. Looks like a car from Texas. And now I did actually, this is the MGA. I saw this one. I think last time it was pouring down with the rain. Got the last probably 5 minutes here. Looks like Texas MGA here. They're very popular here. You know, I'll walk down through before they all go. Remember the Morris Minor left. We're about to leave. There we are. The A30. How popular they are, of course. And also we have the MGB GT here. The MGB GT, they're very popular, they're quite posh inside. There we are. N-Red. Close to the Thai restaurant here. Well, here we are, the later MGB here. More modern car. Looking towards the 1980s, of course, and the late 70s with the classic bumpers, but of course, I think it was when the rules changed as well, certainly. Different to the older style, perhaps a more modern car. MGB GT. This is from another one from P-Red, so mid-late 70s. And we have the lovely Morris Minor here. How popular they are here. Very popular, economical as well, of course. The Morris Minor. Stock cars, we have the Lotus Eclat here, 22 sports car. Now I don't know if the Lotus is still going, unfortunately. Another British make. TVR, of course, gone. Got the Jag behind here, the Jaguar E-Type V12 here, the Jaguar E-Type luxury roadster. Here we are. A massive bonnet there. Late 1960s. By the time you got to Series 3. Bit of camaraderie here. And we have the Aston Martin Barrage here. The Aston Martin. Up to the luxury, prestige, exotic market here with the Aston Martin. Porsche, Boxster, bit of a hairdresser's car. Beetle, was very common. Very noisy as well, mind you. And the another Aston Martin. Mercedes here, another German import in 280 SE. When they made reliable cars, of course, it's more likely to fall apart now, the Mercedes. As people tend to find out. Aston Martin, there we are. Now, I think this was the probably race version modified. And we have down the road here the Triumph Stag here, the Triumph Stag. Sort of big event down at Brooklands today in Surrey. The Rolls-Royce, this is Silver Shadow 60th anniversary. Of course, they sometimes have a bus meet there. All the buses on show. So they've got the fire brigade here as well. Is it a true fire or is it just exhibited?
No, mate, no, we're nothing to do with this.
Oh. Yeah, the fire brigade are here, but so, nothing to do with exhibiting the services. Back of the station there, of course, Waterloo Station, and that seemed to conclude the cars here. Down to the Triumph Stag, because certainly the fire brigade here in city. I'll have a look down past the market. Of course, good times for photographs as well here. Getting British-made luxury as well. Sadly, not making anything like the cars we used to make. You start making things again in abundance with the world how it's going. A very popular Morris Minor there. Now this, have a quick look at the MGB here, and then Austin 3835. Just want to double check. Haven't seen anybody leaving, any others leaving. There may have been a few more. I will perhaps inquire. Is that a MJ from Texas?
All the old cars.
They brought it back to restore, no doubt. A lovely, economical A30. I've got a roof rack there. I don't think that's the standard fit there. Wow. The lovely MGB GT here. Even got a bit of wood in there. Certainly wasn't standard. By Leek Street here. Another look at the Morris Minor. So many people around it just now. A lovely old four-door Morris Minor. Of course, most of them with two doors. Very easy to maintain. Mechanics there. The Morris Minor 1000. Even got a roof rack here. A bit of camaraderie with the Mercedes 280 here. Something on at St Albans apparently next weekend apparently. Classic cars over there. There's quite a few events take place throughout the summer, of course. Just looking down Lower Marsh here, and the sports prepared Aston Martin for the racetrack here. Aston Martin probably road prepared as well here. Lovely, popular Triumph Stag here. A couple of young people going around taking photographs of the classics as well. Inspiring for the future. Rather encouraging. The Triumph Stag in white here.